Today's story is the value of time. Time is one of the most valuable things in life. Once time is gone, we can never get it back. This story teaches us why we should use our time wisely and avoid wasting it. Rahul was a bright student. He wanted to get good marks in school, but he had one bad habit. He wasted a lot of time every day. After school, Rahul spent many hours watching videos and playing games. He often said, I'll study later, but later never came. Days passed quickly. His homework was not completed on time. He did not revise his lessons. His parents advised him to use time carefully. His teachers also told him the same thing, but Rahul did not listen. Soon the final exams came. Rahul became worried. He had many lessons to study, but there was very little time left. He tried to study day and night. Still, he could not finish all the subjects. During the exams, he found many questions difficult. He felt sad and nervous. A few weeks later, the results were announced. Rahul got low marks. He was disappointed with himself. His friend Arjun scored very good marks. Rahul asked, how did you do so well? Arjun smiled and said, I used my time wisely. I studied a little every day and never wasted my time. Rahul understood his mistake. He realized that wasting time had caused his problems. From that day, he decided to change. He made a daily timetable. He completed his homework on time. He studied regularly and reduced unnecessary screen time. He also found time to play and rest. Slowly, Rahul became more organized and confident. In the next exams, he scored much better marks. His parents and teachers were happy. Rahul learned an important lesson. Time is more precious than money. Money lost can be earned again, but lost time never returns. Always use your time wisely. Do your work on time. Avoid wasting time on unimportant things. Every minute is valuable and can help you build a better future. Moral of the story: time is precious. Use every day wisely because lost time never comes back. Small efforts every day lead to big success in the future. Thank you so much for watching this story. I'll see you in the next video with another wonderful story. Take care and have a great day.